Talafalava and welcome to Moodle Malua. I've prepared this video tutorial in order to assist our new students and anyone who requires assistance in how to better use Moodle for a positive learning experience here at Malua. So firstly, when you go to our Malua website, malua.edu.ws, and you log into the button for Moodle, you use your login details that I've given you, your password and your login, in order to come to this landing page. So this is the page that you will land to. And the first thing I want to bring your attention when you come into this page is the student manual that's found on the very front page. So go to the student manual for Moodle, and there you'll see details on how to better access and better work with Moodle. Some of the process that I'm going to go through now. So firstly, on your left side of your screen, you'll see your home page, which is this landing page. Then you'll see your dashboard. So if we go into our dashboard, the dashboard generally will just come up with all the courses that you have been enrolled in by the administrator. So as you can see from this video, these are some of the courses that I'm enrolled in. Test subject, which is this for training purposes. Then some of these other courses that I've enrolled myself into. If we go into the test subject, so you just click into it, and then you can see some of the work that the lecturer has uploaded into the Moodle course. So here, example in week 1 is I have a course descriptor, which is exactly this. So some lecturers set it up as a pop-in, as a pop-up, which is what I've got here. But if I close that, but some of them, it actually opens up into the Moodle page. So you'll need to use the go back direction in order to get out of the pop-up or the file once it opens up. And once it opens up, you can either save it or print it as you require. So that's that. Then you got your lecture notes, for example. And this is another example of a file that's been uploaded. And you can just close that. You can save it or close it. Then you can see weeks that the lecturer has prepared for your course and some of the work that's up there for you to do. So here's one we have, which is the reflection paper. So if you click onto that, it actually gives you information about that assignment. So it says 550 words. It's due on that date and time. And this particular assignment will only accept submissions from Tuesday, 7th of March, 2023, 12 a.m., which is tomorrow. So it's not accepting any submissions as yet. So you can't actually submit any work to this assignment just yet. So to navigate back out, you can either go back, or it's even easier, you just follow the tabs up here. So I'll go back into the course. And that was the reflection paper. Now you can go into the next one, which is the quiz. So if I go into the quiz that's been set up, it actually tells me that I've missed the quiz, which was last week, 3rd of March. At this time, the quiz was due. So with quizzes, it normally just appears on the course itself. So you just follow the directions through that. So I'll go back out again from here. Go back to your test subject, and it brings you back to your course again. Sometimes from time to time, your lecturer may even wish to put up a video. So for example, this video lesson is something that has been set up in this test course. So just click on it, comes as a pop-up. So this is one of the real benefits of Moodle, is that it can actually take you directly to a video file. So you can either...
The Spotlight Initiative is a joint European Union and United Nations global initiative to eliminate all forms of violence against women and girls. It is called Spotlight because it brings this issue at the center of Samoa's efforts to achieve gender equality and women's empowerment.
Okay, so you can see here with videos, the lecturer can actually put these up here for you. And so you can actually view it. So it's a really good way of the lecturer engaging with the class in terms of some of these videos that are available for viewing,
and I believe that
and for some of the videos that are available online. Let's bring it down again from full page. So rather than the lecturers emailing everyone in the class link towards such video lessons, the lecturer can just upload it to Moodle, and then everyone has access to it within the course. So these are just some of the very simple benefits of Moodle is the sharing of notes, lecture notes, videos, URL, links, books, etc. Through Moodle. So if I just like to bring your attention to this left-hand column, so your participants. Now these are all the participants that are enrolled into this course. As you can see, for this particular purpose for training, I've enrolled all the Ao and Whaletua into this training course. What's important here is the last access to course. So this is what the lecturer will also see, that some of the students have never accessed Moodle. Now, this becomes a worry when there are notes on there that need to be viewed, and you must actually make the effort to go onto Moodle. We have internet available in the front part of the college, the library, and also whanamafutanga, and so forth. So everyone has access to Moodle, in other words. Okay. The badges function, it hasn't really taken off for us in Malua, but we are looking into using that. It's generally a way of rewarding some of the courses, some of the participants. It's a reward system where we use badges. Grade system, yeah, we're still working on that as well. So once that's up and running, then you can just easily use the functionality of the grade system through Moodle. Okay, so we'll go back to my dashboard and I'll show you a course that's live. So if we'd like to go into this course here, there's one of the courses. So here you can see that the lecturer has actually got some notes there available to you and for you to look at, as well as these weeks, they haven't been opened up yet. So it's not available to us as students. There will be a time when the lecturer will open them up and then you're able to see and view and download the available documents that are in that week. So this is up to your lecturers to form that again. To navigate through, you just navigate through underneath the name of the course. So we'll go back to dashboard and I'll take you to another live course. For example, this course here. Now you can see that you got your alphabet here and for the Hebrew. Okay, here you go. So you can either save it, download it, view it, but it's there available for you to use. So you can either save it or print. Just want to close that. Again, look, use for the participants. And what I see here is what the lecturer will see. So I can see here that, oh, we have some people that have never gone into Moodle. So we must be aware of that, and we should try for that never to happen. So you need to access that quite often. Okay, navigate back. And again, it's a pop-up. Sometimes it goes straight into the course, so you need the back button if you want to get out of it. Otherwise, I can simply close the pop-up. Again, these weeks are not available as the lecturer is still working through that week. So we get back to our dashboard, and these are generally some of the functions. If I go to my dashboard again, yeah, these are the subjects that I am enrolled in. The calendar, I'd just like to go back into this test subject. So your calendar, if you go into it, it just tells you some of the work that the lecturer has uploaded and the due dates that's work. So in a snapshot, you can see it, and it reminds you of the dates and when your assignments are due. So that's where the calendar function comes in, and you can move it from subject to subject. So if we go back out to our dashboard, I want to show you also the private files. These are files that yourself have access to. So you have a 100 megabyte limit, and you can upload it to the server, Moodle server, that will be on there for as long as you remain a student of Malua. Once that time has come where you have completed your studies, then these files will become obsolete. And My Courses is another way of accessing your courses. Just on your left hand tabs, you can access each of your courses there. Finally, I'd like to bring your attention up to the right-hand corner, and this is your messaging function. So this is where you always need to check that no one's left you a message, whether a lecturer or a fellow student, and this is where you'll see it. If there is a message, there'll be a pop-up here, like 1, 2, 3, or 4 messages, so you just go into them. And as you can see, some of these messages are here now. So here you can search for people and you can leave a message for someone. So if you ever need assistance with Moodle, just search for me here. So Alessandra, search, that's me. And you can just type your message away. Please help me with Moodle. All right, then you got to press the send button. And so it goes to me. So from this, I can respond to you and I can assist you with any issues that you're having with Moodle. So it's a good way of communicating and staying close. You can either search for fellow students and send them messages, or you can send a message to your teacher through this way. This is also a good way for your teacher to communicate with you, so you should always check this from time to time. And here is where your profile, you can make adjustments to your profile, put a profile picture if you need, and just other functions through this top header here. So hopefully you've enjoyed. We'll go back to the landing page. Please check the landing page from time to time because I'm going to make some announcements about links to libraries that I'm going to put here on the landing page. And also, if you go to this one particular course, Student Library Resources, this is very important, this course. So this will give you all information about the libraries that we can access from Moodle. So it's a good way to stay connected with other libraries and open sources that are available to us from time to time. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial of how you can better use Moodle. And if you have any questions, please use this messaging function to send me a message. I can try to help you from there. Manuitele yele whangaino nei alofa so tainga. Ia wal whangaino nei whamoemoe. O le whalau te leino o sida fia nei kolisi Malua. May God bless you all and hope you have an enjoyable experience learning at Malua, and especially using Moodle to assist you in doing so. Tō whā, and God bless. Whamaniele tua whaftai.